Hey Zane.
A shape that has 5 sides.
What's this?
Means we need to find a tire with a pentagon shape in the middle.
What's this one right here? What's that? What's this?
6.
What's this one?
5.
That one's 5.
2, 6.
Hey, where's the 4?
4.
There's the 4.
2.
2. Where's the 7? Where's the 7? 7.
2.
2. Where's the 6?
6.
Where's the 6? Where's the 6?